Hi, I'm Danny Lee.
Today we're going to show you how to do a titration experiment. The reason why we do titration experiments are to figure out how much of a solution it takes to neutralize an acid reaction. First, we must know the molecular structure and molecular weight of each substance being used in the experiment, as well as the volume or the amount of the substance being used. And to figure out the unknown variable, we must first find the initial volume of the solution, then find the final volume of the solution, and make sure when reading the measurement to go to the 100th place.
Before we started the experiment, we made sure to prime the burette at least 3 times by rinsing it with water in solution.
The initial volume for our titration lab is 50 milliliters. Now I will begin titrating sodium hydroxide into the solution.
There's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen and oxygen and nitrogen and rhenium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and lanthanum, and osmium, and astatine, and radium, and gold, protactinium, and indium, and gallium.
The final volume is 25.69.
Okay, we're going to titrate the sodium hydroxide into the solution. The initial volume is 50 milliliters. Okay.
And iodine, and thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's yttrium, ytterbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, and silver, and samarium, and bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium.
The final volume is 31.82 milliliters.
I want to titrate sodium hydroxide into a solution, and the initial volume is 50 milliliters.
There's holmium, and helium, and hafnium, and erbium, and phosphorus, and francium, and fluorine, and terbium, and manganese, and mercury, molybdenum, and magnesium.
The final volume is 30.56 milliliters.
I'm about to titrate sodium hydroxide into a solution. The initial volume is 50 milliliters.
Cerium and cesium, and lead, praseodymium, and platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium, and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium.
The final volume is around 27.64 milliliters.
Here's our data table. For experiment 1, here's the initial volumes for each of the 3 trials, and then here's the final volumes in milliliters. For experiment 2, here are 3 trials. Here's the initial volumes for all of them, and then here's the final volumes for all of them in milliliters.
Calcium, and chromium, and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, krypton, neon, radon, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium. These are the only ones of which the news has come to Harvard, and there may be many others, but they haven't been discovered.